This is air-fried halaya roll. Yummy. And of course, I have some tea. This is a herbal cinnamon tea. Yun. So, tikman natin kung malutong ha. Super. Try nyo guys. Super easy.
Siya nga pala guys, hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo kung paano ko nirub itong ating halaya roll. Very basic lang naman. So lahat tayo marunong gumawa ng Shanghai, ng lumpia, ng turon. It's very basic. Nispread ko lang yung halaya sa may lumpia wrapper. And then inikot ko siya. Yung pinaka-edge, yun lang yung nilagyan ko ng tubig. And then yung dalawang magkabilaang side, hindi na. It's okay. Kasi hindi naman natin siya ipiprito. We're going to air fry this one. And then totally no oil. So ayan ang kinalabasan niya. Super yummy. Try it.